Hello students, welcome to MDC Learning. Standard SYBCom, subject is advertising and topic is advertising media, chapter number 1. So students, in our previous lecture we have learnt about magazine advertising. Today we will learn about radio advertising. The the phenomenal growth achieved by All India Radio, that is AIR Air, through decades has made it one of the largest media organization in the world. As of 2012, AIR reaches out to 99.18% of the population, spread over about 92% of area through 262 broadcasting centers. Advertising on radio in India began in 1967 on Vivid Bharati. So let's learn about advantages of radio advertising. Number 1, that is flexible. It's flexibility. Advertising on radio is both rapid and flexible in sense that effective commercial can be produced in a manner of hours to adapt to the changing marketplace, and advertising is not hampered by production delay. Another appealing aspects relating to flexibility of a radio is that advertiser can quickly take advantage of special situation or events, can rapidly increase the number of ads. So advertising में flexibility भी है. Number 2, that is local language. Local radio stations in India can effectively make use of local language to convey the advertising message. Therefore, radio situations have become popular, especially in rural areas. Now, local language जो है वो इंडिया में यूज़ होता है. गुजरात में you will find Gujarati radios. Here you find Hindi, Marathi, both radios. Wherever you go to different states, you will find their local languages over there. Next one, that is imagination. An important advantage of radio is its ability to allow listeners to use their imaginations. Yes, this is a plus point. See, whenever we listen radio, no, हम लोग वो वर्ल्ड में चले जाते हैं. हम लोग वो इमेजिन करने लगते हैं जो आरजे बोलते हैं, रेडियो जो बोलते हैं वो हिसाब से हम लोग हमारे दिमाग में वो सब इमेजिनेशन करने लगते हैं. रेडियो यूजेस वर्ड्स, साउंड इफेक्ट्स, म्यूजिक एंड टोनालिटी टू एनेबल लिसनर्स टू क्रिएट देयर ओन पिक्चर ऑफ द सिचुएशन. Number 4, that is impact. Radio advertising can make good impact on the listeners. Yes, unlike a print ads, radio spot can use sound, voice and music to create an impact of the message on the listeners. Radio jingles or local celebrities voices can also create a memorable impression. Yes, ये सब चीज़ जो है जैसे न्यूज़पेपर में और मैगजीन में अलग अलग वे से ऐड होती है, वैसे रेडियो में भी अलग अलग वे से जो है वो ऐड होती है. सेलिब्रिटी अपनी आवाज़ देते हैं, अलग अलग म्यूज़िक डाल सकते हैं, जिंगल्स छोटे मोटे जो यूज़ कर सकते हैं. ये सब चीज़ जो है वो अच्छे इम्पैक्ट देता है. नेक्स्ट वन, दैट इज़ रिपीटेशन. Radio messages can be repeated daily or more than once in a day, depending upon the advertiser's requirement. Right? Since the ad rates are very low, repetition is easily affordable to the advertiser. एडवर्टाइजिंग के रेट बहुत कम होते हैं रेडियो में, जिसकी वजह से एडवर्टाइजर्स अफोर्ड कर सकता है रिपीटेशन ऑफ एड. Next one, that is wide coverage. Radio messages can be conveyed to the vast majority of Indian population. Radio messages can be reached to any part of nation. As of 2012, air reaches out of 99.18% of India's population, spread over about 92% of area through 262 broadcasting centers. Therefore, advertising to masses is possible on the radio. Next one, that is mobility of radio. Radio is extremely mobile. Now it is there in mobile also. So it follows the listeners from one room to another room, one place to another place, place of work or some other place. There is hardly any place where it cannot go. Therefore, one can receive ad message at any place. Right? It's very easy to carry. Now you don't have to carry actually your radio to everywhere because it is there in your local phone also. I mean, whatever mobile you are using, radio is already attached to it. So this is a plus point. Next one, greater scope for attention. Radio can be listened with divided attention, that is while driving, shaving, cooking. Therefore, even there are many students, they listen radio while doing studies also. I mean, I have seen students also, they do study while listening music. So there are different things people use radio for along with other work also. So it is it divert the attention of customer. Now, suitable to small firms, most small business firms cannot afford large advertising expenses such as compared to large companies. They cannot afford the luxuries of TV advertising. Therefore, small firms can make their presence in the market felt with the help of रेडियो एडवर्टाइजिंग. जो छोटी छोटी कंपनियां हैं वो टीवी में उनके पास दे डोंट हैव मच बजट, दे कैन नॉट पुट देयर एडवर्टीजमेंट इन टीवी बिकॉज दे कैन नॉट, उसके लिए फाइनेंस चाहिए, उतना पैसा नहीं होता है छोटी कंपनी के पास. सो दे अफोर्ड टू पुट देयर एडवर्टीजमेंट इन रेडियो एडवर्टाइजिंग. So students, we have learned about advantages. Now we will go through limitation of radio advertising. Number one, that is short life. The life of radio advertising is restricted to a few seconds. Message cannot be preserved, unlike print advertising. प्रिंट एडवर्टीजमेंट में क्या होता है, मैसेज हम लोग बचा के रख सकते हैं, सेव करके रख सकते हैं कहीं उसके कट पेस्ट निकाल के. बट यहाँ पे इट इज़ नॉट पॉसिबल, फ्यू सेकेंड्स में वो एड खत्म हो जाती है. हाउएवर, रिपीटेशन ऑफ एड्स ऑन रेडियो कैन क्रिएट टॉप ऑफ माइंड अवेयरनेस. Second one, that is brief information. Detailed information is not feasible through radio. This is because audience may not pay attention to lengthy messages. However, in the case of print ads, especially on newspapers, detailed information of the product can be provided. लोग इतना अच्छे से ध्यान नहीं देंगे इतनी डिटेल में, इसीलिए यहाँ पे मैसेज जो है वो शॉर्टकट में दिया जाता है. तो दिस इज ऑल्सो ड्रॉबैक, माइनस पॉइंट. Number 3, that is problem of product demonstration. Radio advertising lacks visual elements. Therefore, product demonstration is not possible through radio. यहाँ पे क्या होता है, लोग जो है वो देख नहीं सकते एड को, सिर्फ सुन सकते, इसके लिए यहाँ पे प्रोडक्ट डेमो पॉसिबल नहीं है. तो दिस इज ऑल्सो माइनस पॉइंट्स. सब चीज़ सुन के हम लोग नहीं ले सकते. इफ़ यू वांट टू बाय अ प्रोडक्ट वी नीड टू सी ऑल्सो. So this is a drawback. Next one, that is lacks reference value. Radio message lacks reference value. Since messages cannot be preserved by audience, and if at all they want to refer back, they have to wait for the next repetition. देखो, रेफरेंस के लिए हम लोग नहीं रख सकते. एक बार सुन लिया वो मैसेज खत्म हो गया. अभी वापस अगर हमें रेफरेंस के लिए कुछ करना है तो हमें दूसरी बार उसको सुनना पड़ेगा. दिस इज ऑल्सो माइनस पॉइंट. Next one is declining popularity. With the growth of TV advertisement, the importance of radio advertising is declining, especially in urban areas among middle and upper class people. However, in recent years, radio listenership has increased in urban areas due to FM radio channel. Actually, ये decline हुआ है, बट नाउअडेज पता चला है कि लोग अभी आजकल ड्राइविंग, वॉकिंग, जॉगिंग जो भी करते करते एफएम जो है वो आजकल सुनते हैं. सो इट इज़ पार्ट ऑफ रेडियो, एफएम रेडियो चैनल. नेक्स्ट वन इज क्लटर्स. एट टाइम्स रेडियो एड्स सफर फ्रॉम द प्रॉब्लम ऑफ क्लटर. may be too many ads at time. Therefore, the radio listeners may not pay attention to too many ads that are aired at the same times. या लिसनर्स जो है वो बहुत सारी ऐड को एक साथ सुन नहीं पाता है और इतना सारा दिमाग में नहीं रख पाता है, तो बहुत सारे क्लटर्स जब भी आरजे बोलते हैं तो लोग नहीं सुन पाते, नहीं समझ पाते. दिस इज ऑल्सो ड्रॉबैक्स. नेक्स्ट वन, दैट इज lack of focus. Listeners may be distracted from listening to radio ads. For example, people may listening to radio while they are driving, they are eating, they are shaving, they are doing cooking, so they cannot pay 100% attention on ads. So this is also drawback. Unsuitable for certain products. Yes, radio advertising may not be suitable to certain products. Radio is a mass medium. Therefore, certain class products like luxury products may not be advertised on the radio. तो ये सब चीज़ जो है जिसके लिए बड़े बड़े प्रोडक्ट्स जो है लग्जरी प्रोडक्ट है उसके लिए रेडियो एड जो है वो सूटेबल नहीं है. या सो इसके साथ रेडियो एडवर्टाइजिंग आई हैव फिनिश्ड.